When a crow feels sick, it visits an anthill. Sounds strange. It's actually one of nature's most fascinating healing rituals. When a crow senses it's unwell, it will intentionally find an anthill, spread its wings wide, and remain completely still, waiting for the ants to crawl into its feathers. Why? Because ants release formic acid, a natural antiseptic that kills bacteria, fungi, and parasites hiding in the bird's feathers. This behavior is called anting, and it's being observed not just in crows but in many bird species. No medicine, no veterinary, just pure instincts, a nature's built-in pharmacy, a brilliant reminder that the natural world is full of intelligent, self-healing systems. We just need to stop and notice.